In this lecture, we will create the settings to publish the app to the iTunes App Store. Now, as of today, it's not going to be the actual iTunes App Store, but the iTunes Message App Store. So navigate to itunesconnect.apple.com on any web browser, and you will use your iOS developer license here. So I'm going to itunesconnect.apple.com and press enter. And please log in using your credentials, your iOS developer credentials, if you're not already logged in. And I'm going to click on My Apps. And here I'm going to click on the top left corner. There's a plus sign. I'm going to click there and add a new app. And here, make sure you target iOS and put the name of the app. By the way, you can always change that later, so don't worry about it if you don't have the right app name here. I'm going to call this one multiplayer robot stickers. Now, the name that you will put here should be the same name as the one that you are using in Xcode. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Whenever we went to the info.plist, we put a name here, right? The multiplayer robot sticker. So you can just copy and paste that name right here inside of iTunes Connect. We want the same one, okay? You can always change that later, but make sure that it's the same one, because Apple might reject your app if it's too different. Primary language, choose yours or any that you like, and the bundle ID. So that's the bundle ID that you create in the developer.apple.com website. Okay, so if you haven't created there, go to the lectures on how to do that. If not, remember that's on the developer.apple.com website where you would need to create your distribution certificate. Then you create the app bundle ID. Then you create a provisioning profile. Okay, so once you have these three, we're good to go. And make sure you look at the lectures on how to do that. Okay, now going back to iTunes, I'm going to use my a wildcard one that I have, and the suffix would be multiplayer robot sticker. And you don't have to put the same one as mine, but what matters is that anything that you put here, this bundle that you see here, the one right there, should be the one of your app as well, meaning that when you go to Xcode, you will use this one right here inside of the product identifier. So click on the stickers co-op, and right here inside of the message sticker, this sticker co-op, this is the name of the app here, product bundle identifier. So remember, there's two of them. There's the product bundle identifier inside of the stickers co-op target, and then the message stickers. And they both are a bit different. As you can see, this one is dot message sticker co-op. The other one does not have the dot message sticker co-op. So make sure you use this one. Okay, so I'm going to rename this one to have the same one as the other one, which is this here. Copy this and paste it here. All right, and I'm going to do the same here, but I'm going to just keep what's at the end. As you can see, I keep the dot message stickers co-op, but I do have the same bundle. It starts with the same bundle name. All right. Okay, and let's go back to iTunes Connect, and the SKU number, I'm just going to paste that. I'm going to reuse the same. So that's just a unique ID to recognize your app. And click on Create. All right, and now you're going to arrive to the main dashboard in iTunes Connect of your app. And here, it's actually pretty straightforward. Just make sure you follow and you put all the information, such as the category. Right now, you might not see your category. We might have to add a new version here, such as the version for the message app, for the stickers, but it's not there yet, okay? Because this is an early version, and the next versions of Xcode and iTunes Connect will have it. But you can already fill most of it, such as the price and availability and all the information here, okay? All right.